To support a structure with thousands of LED fixtures, you need a power supply that assures continuous operation without interruption. SL Power introduces LE500, a 500-watt power conversion solution that sets new standards in the market. Ordinary power supplies with high inrush currents need dedicated circuit breakers, increasing your costs in high-power applications. With LE500, the lower inrush current means a single circuit breaker can support up to 4 power supplies, reducing your installation costs and saving space. And with droop current sharing, LE500 allows easy scalability to high-power applications with different wattage configurations in a single SKU, thereby reducing your total cost of ownership. LE500 thrives on the idea of less is more. It weighs less and has a compact size, making it easy to install. But it has more than double the life expectancy of the competition, significantly reducing the need for replacement supplies. With EMI and EMC specifications that fully comply with global regulatory requirements, system engineers everywhere can rely on LE500 to deliver outstanding performance, backed by SL Power's expertise in designing efficient power supplies. LE500, the best 500-watt power conversion solution for applications such as horticulture, arena lighting, port lighting, and architecture. Brought to you by SL Power.